Guys, today I'm doing a review on these vegetable samosas. They're vegetarian, no MSG. These were on sale, and here are the ingredients. So I'm gonna cook them up, and if you guys want to read it, pause it, and see how they taste. They do. If you look here, it does contain some corn, some wheat. So, all right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, here are the samosas all done. Let's do a quick taste test. Here it is. Okay, so taste-wise, it's got some heat to it. I can taste the heat, but they're kind of bland. But it's got herbs and heat. But it's not salty. It's not. But it does have quite a bit of heat. I would say, and I don't tolerate spice that well. I would say this is like a medium for me, medium to hot. Okay, so definitely check it out, guys, if you're into spicy. But I was expecting not to be spicy actually. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.